Hello, this is Jordan with the practice set, and today I'm going to show you how to solve the very common physics problem of when will two particles meet given different initial velocities and different initial starting positions. So let's read through this problem. Two balls are thrown upward at the same time. Ball A is thrown at 15 meters per second from ground level, and ball B is thrown at 7 meters per second from a height of 10 meters. They're both thrown upward. When and at what height will they meet? Okay, so in order to do this, what we have to do is first model the trajectory of each ball. And the way that we do this is we use the y position equation, where y of t, the height, is equal to the initial height plus the initial velocity times t plus 1/2 at squared. So we have to apply this equation to both ball A and ball B because they have different conditions. So the height y of t for A is 0 because it starts at an initial height of 0 plus 15 meters per second, that's its initial velocity, times t, times 1/2 9.8 t squared. Now, we get 9.8 because that is the acceleration due to gravity on Earth. So that is the number that we apply to A in any height problem unless told otherwise. Now for ball B, the height y of t for B is 10 because it starts at a height of 10 plus 7 its initial velocity t times t plus 1/2 9.8 again t squared. Now because these are the height equations and we're solving for when they will actually meet, all we need to do is set them equal to each other. We don't include the 0 because there's no need for a 0. 15t plus 4.9 t squared. We simplified the 1/2 times 9.8 is equal to 10 plus 7t plus, once again, we simplify to 4.9 t squared. Now all we do is we simplify it, combine some like terms. We combine the 15t and the 7t. We have to subtract 7t, give us 8t. The 4.9 t squareds cancel out, so it's 50. So we get 8t is equal to 10. We divide by 8, and t is equal to 5/4 or 1.25 seconds. So that's the time at which they'll meet. That's the first part of it, when. And then it asks also, at what height will they meet? So all that we have to do is, now that we're given the time, we can plug this time into either of the height equations, either of the heights for ball A or ball B, because both balls will be at that height. It'll give us the same answer. So y of t A, all we do is we plug in 1.25. 0 plus 15t, 1.25, plus 1/2 at 1.25 squared. This gives us the height that they will meet at 26.406 meters. We would have gotten the same answer if we plugged it into the y of t B equation. So, hope that you learned a lot from this problem. You should check out thepracticeset.com where we have many problems that are just like this, solved out step by step, just like what we did right here. We're an upper level STEM practice problem database. We have a link in the description, and we really hope that we'll see you there. All right, bye-bye.